Hey everyone, it's Car Guru here. Now the other day I decided to paint my winter rims and tires black on my live stream and then subsequently bust my ass when trying to change them out. Anyways, after I recovered from that ego crusher and I swapped my wheels over, my lug nuts were still chrome and they definitely stuck out against the black rim. So I needed these little black things called lug nut covers that gave the chrome lug nuts more of a black look. Now I wanted them that day, so I decided to give Tesla a call. Now remember, I haven't spoken to them since I tried to pay for my supercharging bill and since they fired about 1,000 people. Either way, take a listen at Tesla's new and improved customer support model.
Tesla service, how may I help you?
Hey, how you doing today? I have a P85 with 21-inch turbines and I need those little lug nut covers.
Okay, where are you calling from?
I'm just a customer. I'm not like a service center or anything. I'm just like a regular person.
Okay.
So do you have them,
So,
or?
yeah. Oh well. Yes, we have them. Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Sure.
All right. And how much are they? And when can I pick them up?
Well, so they'll be between $57 and $75.
What makes them 57 versus $75 exactly? Like it seems like a. Oh, you know what? No. Oh, just to be clear on something, I don't need the lug nuts too. I just need the little tiny plastic covers that go over the lug nuts.
Oh, okay. Well, what do you need those for?
I'm sorry.
What do you need those? Why?
Oh, sorry. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. You think Tesla's out here playing games? Tesla wants answers. Oh, hello. Sorry about that. You still there?
Yeah.
Yep. Hello. All right. Awesome. Yeah. Basically, what I did was I painted my rims black, and the lug nuts are still chrome, so I wanted to make the lug nuts black too. It's like a better look.
Oh, well, that actually sounds pretty dope.
All right. Cool. Thanks. So I'm gonna head down there pretty soon.
Okay, but you don't sell the caps by themselves. You actually have to buy the lug nuts too.
All right, so I have to. All right, see, there's a separate part number for them. That's fine. All right, I'll head down. That's cool.
All right, so your total's gonna be $23. So
that's actually not bad. Why $23? I thought it was like 57. Why the price change?
Well, we only have 9. We only have 9 in stock.
Hey guys, Car Guru here. I couldn't deal with that for too much longer, so I ended up getting the nut covers from my friend Chris. I'll send the link to his website in my description. So I think Dolores came out really nice. You know, I'm a big fan of that red lip combined with the red headlights. Remember, these are just my winter wheels and tires. I don't want you to think this is permanent. This is just for the winter again. But she's kind of dirty right now, but those covers really complete the look of the car. A quick walk around with the headlights and the whole package. I think she came out really nice. You know, this is like a really nice little look here. It sets her apart from other Teslas. This weekend, I'm gonna try doing another live stream on Saturday night to remove the remaining modules from that fire battery pack. I sold a few of them. I have a few more for sale, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys like Dolores. I think she came out pretty nice so far. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys.